Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can edit Instagram Reels in Davinci Resolve. So let's get right into it. Now, the only thing you really need to do to edit them that separates it apart from regular videos is just to change the aspect ratio and the resolution, which is very easily done. What you need to do to change this is to go into the file menu, as you can see here, and then go all the way down, into project settings. You can also use Shift 9 as a shortcut, but it really doesn't matter. And as you can see, now you get this project settings window. Here you can do image scaling, you can do a lot of different things, but the only thing you really need is under master settings, under timeline resolutions, you need to select the timeline resolution you would like, and you need to set the accurate resolution for the vertical videos. Now, to make an Instagram reel, pretty much Instagram reels are also in 1080p, except they are literally just flipped vertically instead of horizontally in a landscape format as other 1080p YouTube videos are. So instead of 1920 by 1080, you're gonna write 1080 by 1920, and it is as easy as that. 10 by 1920, and as you can see, you have 1080 by 1920 HD right here, and you can even create a custom one if you would so choose. And as you can see, you can check this off and say use vertical resolution. You can check it off and it'll change it very easily. And pixel aspect ratio can be set to square or cinemascope. You can do whatever you want, and once you've changed that, all you have to do is click save, and as you can see, the vertical aspect ratio is now in set. Now what you want to do is just to add your videos. Now this is a horizontal video, but as you can see, it is vertical. Here it just got cut off, but that isn't really a problem. You can rotate the video if you would so like, and that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.